Making chicken parm. She happy. Look at her, y'all. She dancing. Tamaya, what are you getting ready to cook?
Parmesan chicken, right?
Parmesan chicken, because we can't afford Olive Garden.
Oh.
So y'all watch. Okay, so we got some chicken breasts. Maya gonna cut them in half. We got some mozzarella, some Parmesan, some Prego traditional sauce. Some, what are those? Noodles. But what kind of noodles?
Panini.
Okay, she got some panini noodles, some panko breadcrumbs. You going too fast for the people. What is that?
Flour.
Okay. And you got some seasonings.
Salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning. That's it, honestly. 2 eggs.
With 2 eggs.
2 eggs.
Okay, so what you getting ready to do?
Cut the chicken in half because they a little thick.
Okay, so she gonna cut her chicken in half and wash it first and then cut it in half. And we'll be back. Beat you some eggs, as you see Maya doing here. Yes, cut that fat off of them. So Tamaya is cutting the fat off the chicken, everybody. She's grossed out already. Maya learning to cook.
Oh, please. Look at that. Ew.
So Tamaya has her flour seasoned. She has her panko breadcrumbs ready. She got her egg wash ready. Okay, now Tamaya is getting ready to season the chicken. So you season both sides of your chicken evenly with just some basic garlic, onion, black pepper, Italian seasoning, and a seasoning salt. Maya chose adobo. Okay, the next step is to go into your flour. And you're going to put flour on both sides, lightly flour. You don't need a lot. Shake it off. Then we're going to go to this egg wash. And we're going to put some egg wash on both sides. Now you got to dredge it in there good so you can get your breadcrumbs on there. Okay. Now we're going to go to our breadcrumbs. Get the excess egg wash off. And now Maya is going to go into her panko breadcrumbs on both sides of her chicken cutlet that she made from some chicken breast. And we are going to place it on a plate. Her oil is heating up. We're just using some Wesson vegetable oil. You can use canola oil if you like. Okay. And then we're gonna get ready to fry it for our chicken parm. Some water.
Is it ready?
Yeah.
Ready.
Don't you see that? Stand back. Maya knows she's scared.
Of course I'm scared.
Okay, there's more. And the chicken parm is in the oil frying. And I'm gonna flip this over to get an even coating on this other side. We should probably have about 3 more minutes, and then Maya's gonna take it out. Okay, so now we're gonna take this first chicken cutlet out that we wanted to show y'all how to do. See the beautiful color for our chicken parm, okay? And Maya's gonna finish cooking the rest, and then we're gonna go to the next steps, okay? Isn't that beautiful? Teaching Maya how to cook. Okay, Tamaya getting ready to pour her noodles in the water. Oh, let me show y'all.
Am my eyebrows looking? Or do I look worried?
Yeah, you weird. So now you're gonna add a little bit of sauce on the top of your chickens. your marinara sauce, spaghetti sauce. That's what Maya's doing for chicken parm. And I know some people put it at the bottom, but we're not going to because we want to keep a little crispiness to our chicken. Okay, so now she's putting down the mozzarella. Y'all see that oil dirt over there.
Is that cooked? They're a little thick. Should I cook some of these down?
Maya, you have to talk to the people and tell them what you're doing.
I'm putting the mozzarella on top of the chicken. I'm about to put it in the oven. I'm gonna stop.
You about to what?
I'm about to put the oven on 375 or 350. I don't know. For black people.
We're going to melt the mozzarella on top of the
Chicken.